Hello, my lovelies, and welcome to do gardening things with me. Today I'm going to sow some seeds and replant my tomatoes, and I'm gonna use this soil. I kind of made this by myself. I used this method called bokashi, and it means the way to do a soil from your kitchen scraps. Kind of a composting thing, but it's way faster than the original composting. And you can do it indoors during winter, so it's cool. And it's supposed to be very good soil. I don't know yet. This is the first time I'm trying this. And here are my tomato plants. I actually just took some seeds from store-bought tomatoes. So these are cherry tomatoes and I'm going to replant them. I like to recycle things, so I'm going to replant my tomatoes using these milk boxes, what they are called, card boxes. And actually they are pretty good for tomatoes because you can plant tomatoes way deeper, and so it will get more sturdier. And I'm gonna plant 2 of these in one. I should be telling you now that I absolutely have no idea what I'm doing, and this is just trying things. And I think I'm supposed to be using some drainage thing, but I decided not, because I don't have anything to put there. And this my new soil, there are few bigger pieces in them, so I hope it will help, that it will be enough, but we'll see. This is just try and errors kind of approaching to gardening. Another recycled idea for planting boxes are these grape containers. They work just like mini greenhouses. And another recycling tip. These are cat food bags. And actually, I planted peppers and chilies in these bags and also in a pots. And they grow way better. They are way bigger in these bags than in pots. I don't know why, but it works. They are great. And they are recycled also. Let's take a look at my indoor garden. It kind of got out of hands with chilies and peppers. Every year, this happens every year. I decide that this year I'm not gonna put so much seeds in soil, and then this happens every single time. And then I'm like giving them all over the place, but they always find home, so it's okay. But as you can see, I don't have a lot of space, but I put these shelves in front of two of my windows, so it gives me plenty of room to grow a lot of seedlings. I love this idea of self-sufficient life, and someday I hope that I could be living like that. That I would be able to grow all my edible plants in my own yard. It would be fantastic. It takes a lot of time still to learn methods and but I think I'm going the right direction, because with bokashi I can make my own soil, and this next upcoming season I'm trying to collect as much seeds that I can, so I don't have to buy anymore. So I think I'm going the right way. Hopefully it will be a great summer. But anyway, if you like to see more of my videos, remember to subscribe, leave a comment, like this video. I'm going to keep you updated how this my trials goes, and hopefully I will get a lot of crop next year. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.